Watch me live for Street Chance, Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggi. Street Chance channel 195 for Wazobia TV. Make you not touch the deck. Today I tell you our topic now. Why we say one Bobby the big pass one? Street. Why one Bobby the big pass one? Make we enter street. Make we go ask why one Bobby the big pass one Bobby. Why one Bobby? Ijora. Oga corner. It's now Wazobia TV. Ijora. Okay, and I just simple question. Why we say woman one breast the big pass one? Why one Bobby the big pass one Bobby?
Me, I don't know now. Work of God be that too.
Now work of God. No, so woman we wear brazier for a very long time. We just sit there and just sighting her. Why some the big pass one?
I say it's the work of God.
Yeah.
I don't know about
You sure?
I'm sure.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Maybe they don't go do surgery. Now you are the cello.
Yeah, now.
How far now? Why woman I want breast the big pass one? Why woman I want Bobby the big pass one?
Now asthma the presser now.
Asthma the presser. One Bobby go be pass one. I mean asthma the presser.
Asthma the presser move.
How market today?
Market dey okay now.
Okay.
Market dey.
Madam, you get one simple question I want answer. Why be say woman one Bobby the big pass one?
Hey. I don't think so.
Nothing so.
I don't think.
The Bobby dey equal.
I dey equal, but
But you never read and say.
anyhow, one pass one.
Why they be like that? Too much of press have been waiting.
Na God do am now.
Na God abi.
Yeah.
Not be saying man don't too press.
No, na God do am o. But my own now, my husband like am too much.
Confirm. Your husband
Confirm.
like am.
Makparakpa. Akparakpa.
Hello.
You dey there, akparakpa. I get chest, I get baka.
Oh, Coco.
Yeah.
You get chest, you get back.
Wallahi.
Hello. Alpha. Bros, why be say woman, one Bobby the big pass one?
And now wetin God dey do now? As God want her.
Yeah, now so God want her.
As God want her. It dey natural. It dey very natural with women.
With women. But you don't notice am since.
I noticed it.
So you have taken your time to strategize and.
Of course, I'm a married man of many years. I'm a married man of many years.
You were clear. So you strategize.
I've been married man of many years now. So
how long have you been married now?
I've been married for 7 years, 6 years now.
6 years. How many you don't born?
One.
Only one you don't born. Okay, you decide to born one first.
Another is on the way.
Another is on the way. That is 1.5. Still on the matter. Until I have that one day on the way. They be praying when they come. As the coming of the Lord Jesus Christ. All right, still on the matter. Street Chance from Wazobia TV. Make you not touch you die. Oh shit. Yeah, man. How far now? Why? You didn't like Bobby? You didn't like Bobby?
I like Bobby well.
You like Bobby well?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I like him well.
Yeah. Why be say for woman one Bobby the big pass one?
Na God will be that.
Na God will.
Yeah, nah.
But you get some people like say na too much of touching.
No spoil me now.
Man, no spoil me. see your lip feel out of that spoil.
No spoil me now.
You got na fan.
Na fan.
Salam alaikum. Still on the matter.
I'm fine.
This is from Wazobia TV.
Okay.
Sir, I just funny question I want to ask you. May you laugh first for the funny question. Why do you say one Bobby of woman? One Bobby the big pass one?
It's only God that can answer that. It's by creation and it's nature.
How long you don't marry now?
Yes. Close to 35 years.
35 years?
Yes, definitely.
Jesus. Let me say your first son or your first daughter go there.
She don't marry too.
She don't marry? Yeah. Father!
That's it.
Lekebo Sokoda. Yerebo. So, let me say, you notice say,
your woman, be your boss now. You go be past, almost all women.
Almost all women.
And all the women. You can never be of the same size. That is by nature, it's by creation. Yes, it's not by nature.
I'm not Bobo. I never look and see so.
You have to.
That's how I go check my wife.
I bet you when you get to.
Segebo. Now Wazobia TV be this. Wazobia TV channel 195. Still on the matter. Boom. Laugh first before I ask the funny question. confirm from Hameto. That is Wazobia laugh.
Okay.
All right, still on the street hands, eh? For a woman, one Bobby the big bass one.
Okay.
Why they be like that?
I think that is the way they God created everything. To me, that's the way I see it.
You don't marry?
I'm married.
With how many kids?
In my place, we don't count kids.
Don't can't let. So now people for like now they born.
No.
Now they born community.
No, we don't born community.
Now they born football team.
No, we don't born community. You have to decide what you want to born.
Okay.
But we don't count.
Okay.
I have girl. I have.
Okay, have fun now. Wazobia TV. Still on the matter Wazobia TV.
Hey.
So now God the creator like that.
Yes, so
You sure?
That's the way I see it.
You sure?
Because
But you notice I don't notice assist for your woman
I noticed for long.
for a very long time.
Very, very
you
long.
don't ask her.
I didn't ask.
Why you not go ask?
I don't ask you. I just feel that is how it is.
Okay.
Oh yeah, to you. I put it to you. Why is it like that?
The man don't throw the question. Me self, he said they never see such a job. You know, go sound road collect money. Go see me and himself, I don't even know. Me,
I don't know. So me, I don't know. I just see.
It be like I go read about her. Mammary glands. I go read about her. I be not be so glance from the chest. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
One big press. If one press a big pass, I don't know.
You don't know. You just say just hold the press.
I just throw the money.
You seem you like publications. You love publications things. You don't even take time, no.
I never take time notice say one the password. Even my wife phone, I don't know. Wetin I know now.
All you know, make it just press and run things and go. Yeah, bad guy. My brother, I want to flip.
You know what? For my own, because ask me why. Because for a married someone, you know, say whenever a nurse speaking, based on one side breast, this one go be past each other.
Okay, might be the experience when you say it like that.
Yes.
Why this guy they cover his face?
I say,
Why they cover face? Your face better than Mashallah. Mashallah, face better camera tire. Yeah, the guy know me. See, I'm saying they drink.
Monkey no fine, my mind like him.
You dey hear am, monkey no fine, mama like am.
Yes.
Tell me when they use back till they talk for
It's
camera.
okay, it's okay, it's okay.
All right. You know the meaning of it's okay, it's okay. All right, madam. Still on the matter. Madam, come now. Wazobia TV. Yeah, good afternoon. Come now. Just one question I want to ask, madam. Why one Bobby the big bass one for woman body?
Where?
One Bobby the big bass one.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Hey, You never check, sis.
I don't know.
Why you never check?
I don't get interest.
He says she don't get interest. Still on the straight hands, I tell you, Wazobia TV, making not touch you there. I tell you like this, now we take wrap up for today. And like this, I'll tell you, carry my car, they go my house. Straight down. I tell you, I believe you. Still on the straight hands, not touch you there. Channel 195. Oh shit! Po! Most of them don't know why I want Bobby the big basso. And so we take wrap up.